Gremsy launches the G-Hadron Gimbal for drone integrators. Compact, lightweight, purpose-built. G-Hadron is the ultimate compact and lightweight gimbal, perfectly designed to carry the high-performance dual thermal and visible camera module Hadron 640R. With its optimized size and weight, G-Hadron ensures a plug-and-play setup for the Hadron 640R. Hadron 640R. Gremsy lost no time in developing the gimbal, after Teledyne FLIR released development kits for the Hadron 640R this spring. For drone operations, the Hadron 640R is a game-changer for a wide variety of applications. The Hadron 640R pairs a 640 multiplied by 512 resolution radiometric Boson registered thermal camera with a 64 MP visible camera and a small 56-gram form factor, and offers MIPI output. The thermal camera grants visibility within total darkness, smoke, and most fog, and the 64 MP visible electro-optical EO camera 0 FFERS high-definition visible imagery. G-Hadron. The G-Hadron is tiny, measuring only 90 x 63 mm. The G-Hadron includes 3 operation modes: on/off, follow mode, and mapping mode. The gimbal also features a next-generation IMU sensor, specialized gimbal drive motors with encoders, USB-C connection, and support for gimbal Mavlink protocol. See a full range of specs here. Standard or customized damping. The G-Hadron's standard damping system weighs 42 grams and is engineered for use with a wide variety of drone models weighing more than 1 kilogram. Alternatively, users can work with Gremsy on a tailored solution, or get the specs to build their own. Don't miss this deal. Integrators can pre-order the G-Hadron with a special discount before July 6.